condition I created. Okay. Next. So next I created one more condition, that is ZPO value, which will run only based on values. Here you can check those condition values. See, if my purchase order value is greater than 1000 rupees, then I want a release. But how system comes to know that it is for purchase order? Because we have given communication structure EKKO. We all know that EKKO is the header table of purchase order. Correct. So this is one of the conditions which will help me to get release status. Right. Now we need to create a group where we can link all my characters together. How? By creating a class. Class is nothing but a group. Like last time we have discussed about partner schema group, right? So same schema group is nothing but your class. Same process. But this we are using it for release strategy. So that's the reason we have to give class type has release strategy, that is 032. Okay. So in that class we are going to link our characters here. Okay. So for these two steps you will not get TRS. Okay, you will not get TR. Remember, you will not get TR, transport request, that box you will not get. Okay, so now let us go for configuration part from step 3, that is release group. Guys, remember, whenever you are customizing, you are practicing now. So what you will do, whatever notes I have given, just you will follow that. You will go to purchase order. In that purchase order, you will go for release procedure for purchase order. In that you will go for define release procedure for purchase orders, then you will go for release groups now. So when you are configuring now, it should be blank here. It should be blank. If something is assigned here now, you have to delete that. You have to delete first, then you create. So I'll go to new entries. Then I'll create a release group called PO. You can give any 2-character code. It is just help you to link your class. That's it. So I'll assign my class here, and this release group is for PO release. So just enter it in. Okay. I hope everyone is following my notes and this class. Okay. Okay, guys. So next, step 3 is done. See, step 1, characters has been linked in step 2, that is class. Step 2 has linked in release group, that is step 3. Now we are going for step 4, where step 3 and step 4 will be linked here, that is release code. Who will approve your purchase order? Who has to approve? Purchase executive has to approve, purchase head has to approve, purchase manager has to approve. But up to 8 people can approve purchase order. Up to 8 people. That is SAP standard. One purchasing document can be approved by 8 people. Okay, guys. So here just go to new entries and give codes, whatever codes you want. H1, H2, H3, L1, L2, L3, or like P means purchase executive, PH means purchase head, PM means purchase manager, whatever you want, just you assign it. Okay. And just save this. This is step 4. Okay. Step 5. Whether you want to edit PO or not after release. Okay. Yeah. Completely deleted by something. The standard, it will be like this. Block. If you want, you can change. And B means description is block. Next, app. If indicator R is assigned, na? Then your PO got released. But how system knows that R means release? Here you have to activate checkbox. This is standard. These two lines will be there in SAP standard. Someone has deleted here, but in real time, these two will be there. In real time, these two will be there. Just your role is assigning indicators, whether we want to change it or not. Whether we want to change it or not. So 1 to 6 indicators. Okay, guys. Just check it 6 indicators. That's the reason I'm waiting here. Okay, guys. So this is step 5. But step 5 is nowhere linked with step 4. Remember, step 5 is different, completely individual step. But in step 6, we are going to link 4 and 5. Okay, here. Just let me save this. Okay, here. Just go back. Go back. I'll go for my step 6, that is release strategy. Okay. Here first, how many strategies are there? How many conditions are there? There is only one condition. Na? If my PO value is greater than 1000, that's it. If there is any limit of release, na, then we'll go for multiple strategies. Example, if 1 to 100 is 1 to 1000 is my PO value, then only purchase executive has to approve. That is strategy 1. If my PO value is greater than 1000, then my purchase executive, my purchase manager, my purchase head, 3 people has to approve. Then it is strategy 2. But I'll go for only strategy 1, that is greater than 1000, because I have only one value, na, greater than 1000. So who has to approve first? Purchase executive has to approve first. Who has to approve second? Purchase manager. Who has to approve third? Purchase head. But when these guys will approve? So we have to configure this. First purchase executive approve, then after purchase executive approve, then purchase manager will approve. Purchase head will approve only when purchase executive, purchase manager will approve. See this gap, this cross. In this gap, they will approve it. Okay, just continue. And here, when my PO will be get released finally? When 3 people have not released, my PO will be in block mode. When 1 person release, still it is in block mode. When 2% releases, still even it is blocked. But when 3 people has approved, my PO will be released. So these indicators, these are step 5 here. These are step 5 indicators. These are step 4 release code. I'm linking both here. But these 3 guys will approve when greater than 1000. No? So that greater than 1000 classification we have to assign there. Those conditions. If my PO value is greater than 1000. Guys, when we are discussing about characters, I asked you to remember additional values. Do you remember the field? Additional values in character. When you use additional values, now you can add, see here you can add manually values. Here you can add values manually. That is additional values tab. That field will be used. I'll show you where these additional values again if required. Just continue. And my second condition is document type. So here. So these are my conditions. Okay, if my PO value is greater than 1000 and if my PO document type is NP or ZDMP, these 3 people has to approve. Who's those 3 people? These people. And what is the sequence? First purchase executive, then purchase manager, then purchase head. Okay, then release simulation. Just continue and save. So our release strategy configuration is done. Now we have to test, and you have written a note, na? create a purchase order by using T code ME21, maintain all required fields, then click on check icon. If PO conditions are satisfying with release strategy, or if release conditions are satisfying with PO, then system will add a new tab called release strategy and save the purchase order. This is what you have written till yesterday. Am I right? Or anything more? Please, anyone just tell, let me know. Na? Till where you are written? Yes. Till where you are written? Same, na? Same. Okay. Just note you are written na? Here, guys. Here I am creating purchase order now. ME21 and I am creating purchase order, whatever note you have written. So my PO standard I am giving, that is NB. That is NB. Okay. Next I'll give vendor. What is my vendor? Yeah. Tata Steel. Yeah. See, I created data today morning only. So Tata Steel is my vendor. What is this vendor code? Okay, 50101. Okay. Just enter. Here I'll give my purchase organization. Buffet displacing time. Okay. Here I'll give my material. What is my material? I think steel material I created in this morning. 1001 or something. That's 1001. So this is my material. Okay. And I want to buy some 2000 quantity. Or why it is taking time? 2000 quantity, as a 200 quantity I want to buy, and each quantity price is 100 rupees, and I'm going to buy it for plant ENR. See, here if you observe, there is no release strategy tab. Delivery, condition, text, address, communication, partners, additional data tab, organization data, status, payment processing. But remember, after maintaining all required fields, click on check icon. If your release conditions are satisfying in your purchase order in this PO, automatically system will add release tag here. Let us see that. Just check icon. Please, I think everyone is following. Just check icon. If conditions are satisfied, automatically it will add. Here comes. Here it is, guys. See, here comes your release strategy tab, newly added. And 3 people will approve. Na? All those 3 you can see here now. Purchase executive, purchase manager, purchase executive. So no people have approved. Na? Still my PO is in block mode. Save the purchase order. Just simply click on check icon. If your release conditions are satisfying in your purchase order, then you will get release status. Guys, I think till here you are clear. Now how to release? Write down. Release purchase order, or how to release purchase order. Heading. How to release purchase order. Heading. How to release purchase order. Heading. So in your purchase order T codes, you have written 2 T codes. Na? One is ME29N and the other is ME28. Do you remember? So write down. Let us copy PO number first. Guys, I gave a note to you. Do you remember? If we have not released purchase order, then we can't do GR. This point we discussed already, right? Let us check that. Now I'm doing GR without approval. MIGO. Without approval, I am doing Okay. GR, goods receipt purchase order, and here I'll give my purchase order number 45, sorry, 45 triple 22649. 22649. Enter. Check here. You got some message. What is that? PO not yet released. So, if we have not released purchase order, then system will not allow you to do GR, goods receipt, because if PO is not released, then it is an incomplete purchase order. So now who will approve? Heads will approve. Without heads approval, no PO GR will be done. Okay. So how to approve? Write down. Go to T code ME29N. Go to T code. Just go to T code ME29N. Here guys. ME29N. Just go to T code ME29N. Okay. Here. Click on other purchase order icon. Here, this one. This. Click on other purchase order icon. Click on other purchase order icon. Here, give your release purchase order number, whatever PO you want to release, you give that PO number. Give release purchase order number. What is my PO number? Sorry. Just 1 second, I'll copy my PO number. This is my PO number. Sorry. Number. Control C. Okay. So go to T code ME29N, which is individual release. Means single PO we can approve here. Single purchase order. Then click on other purchase order icon. Then here, give your PO number. Whatever PO you want to approve, just give that PO number. Okay. Just paste it here, your PO number. Enter. Run. Give PO number, enter. Okay. Now, does not exist. Just wait, our system is very slow, it's irritating. Okay. Just give PO number, enter. Then go to release strategy tab. And right here, you have to get this tick mark. If you click on this tick mark, then PO will get released. Now level 1 is approving. Release PO. See, level 1 is approved. How you will come to know? Here you will get tick mark like this. Now it will go to level 2. That is purchase manager. Now what purchase manager will do? He will log in with his user ID. He will go to same ME29 and T code. Then he will approve his part. But remember, first your PO got released by purchase executive, but still it is in block mode. Now level 2 is approving. Still it will be in block mode. Just wait. See, level 2 approved. Now it goes to level 3, but still it is in block mode. Okay. This is how you have to use ME29N. Run. Release PO and save. Now who has to approve finally? Purchase head. This we will use by using this we will approve by using T code ME28. That is also release PO. No? This is how you have to use ME29N, which you already written when you are writing PO T code. Okay. Now, write on. How to use T code ME28. How to use T code ME28. ME28. Write on. T code ME28 will be used. T code ME28 will be used to release more than one purchase order at a time. T code ME28 will be used to release more than one purchase order at a time. T code ME28 will be used to release more than one purchase order at a time. Okay, here guys. Go to T code ME. So who has to approve now? Still it is pending from PH now. Purchase head. See, purchase executive release. Any message? Okay, no message, right? Please. First, purchase executive approved. Purchase manager approved. Still my PO is in block mode. Why? Because my purchase head has not approved. Now he will approve. Let us go by T code ME28. Okay. Start on. Go to T code ME28. Go to T code ME28. Here, give release code. Who has to approve now? Purchase head na? Give release code. Just give release code. Give release code. Execute here. So when you execute na, whatever POs are pending, all PO system will display here for approval purpose. See, it is in block mode. Now simply what you will do, click on PO, single click on PO. When you click now, you will get like this red box. It means you selected, and here release and save. Release and save. Click on PO and click on release plus save. Here, guys, check. Release saved means approval is done. If you have a doubt, execute it here. It will not display now for pending purpose. It will not show any pending values now because you already approved. If you have a doubt, let us go to display mode of purchase order ME23N. Now you will come to know how many people are released. Here, release strategy tab. Guys, check how many people released now. All three approved now. All three people approved, and your PO indicator is released. Means final approval is done. Now I can do my GR. If you have a doubt, just go to GR screen. Okay. Just give PO number. Enter. Now it will not stop. You see, you got the information now. Go to quantities tab. Give your quantity, how much you received. Activate item. Okay. Check and post. Got it. Now, guys, you can raise a question. How to cancel approval? How to cancel approval? Release. Now, purchase head wants to cancel his approval. Simply go to T code same ME29N. Go to same T code ME29N. Sorry. ME29N. Okay. Same. Go to other purchase order. Here, give your whatever PO you want to cancel, give that PO. Okay, give that PO, enter. Okay, then go to release strategy tab. Now, who has to cancel? The way how we approved, same we have to go back. Now, purchase executive want to cancel. See, it is this I going for purchase executive cancellation. It completely it got cancelled. Again, approval. So cancellation means you have to click on this icon. You have to click on this icon. It's nothing but release reversal. It's nothing but release reversal means cancel. This icon, this reverse arrow mark is there now. This one. If you click on this, your approval will get cancelled. But after cancelling, you have to save it. Then only changes will affect. Or else changes will not affect. See, I'm not saving now. Your PO is in release mode only. Okay, guys. Now let me do GR. MIGA. Now our PO got approved now. Can we edit PO? Let us check again. Our PO got approved. So let us check, can we edit it or not? This you have to practice, but I'm showing it for your knowledge purpose. But you practice whether we can change it or not. Enter. Other purchase order number, enter. Whatever PO you want to edit, just go for that. See here. Your release. See, everyone got approved now. Now I will change quantity from 200 to 150. Enter. Okay. Save it. So your PO got changed. Your PO got changed because we are using indicator 4. Indicator 4 means we can change the value. Once if you reduce the quantity, automatically total value will also get reduced. Correct? Yes. Okay. So guys, this is your release strategy concept. Okay. So guys, we are done with release strategy, end-to-end configuration along with testing and how to use both ME29N and ME28T code. Okay. So please, if you have any doubts, let me know about release strategy. Any doubts, please type it here. About release strategy, if you have any doubts, please. No doubt. So tomorrow we'll discuss which topic will start. Guys, tomorrow don't continue these notes, okay, from release strategy. Turn your book and write down the notes from tomorrow. Again, I'll tell you what to write after release strategy. So don't disturb your release strategy notes. What is the T code to cancel release? same ME29N. ME29N or ME28 will be used to approve release and to cancel release. That's it. Both cancel and approve will be used. Oh, sorry, both can be done in same people. Okay. Guys, tomorrow don't continue your notes from release strategy. Turn your book and write down from page 1 again. Because I'm going to start tomorrow finance part. I think many of you are, while doing GR, you are facing account determination error, if I'm not wrong. Correct? Correct, guys? So tomorrow tomorrow don't disturb your regular notes. Tomorrow we'll start a new concept which is related to finance. So turn your book and write down from page 1 onwards. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow for account determination errors. Those who are facing, I think many of you are facing account determination error when you are doing GR. I got lot of mails. So better tomorrow we'll continue finance part, which will be done by finance team in real-time project. So whatever you are going to learn tomorrow is only for your knowledge purpose. Just it will help you for practice purpose. Just it is going to help for practice purpose, where the system will not allow you to stop your practice. Okay. So tomorrow's concept is account determination, automatic account determination. T code is OBYC. Tomorrow sharp 7 o'clock we'll meet again. And please don't skip your tomorrow's class. It's very, very important. Okay. Just Vinay, you sent some message to me.